Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Boys. Yeah.
Welcome to Ace of Sports Newscast, and I'm your everyday anchor, Jonathan J. Robinson. The topic of discussion of lately in the sports world has definitely been none other than Donald Sterling. The story broke via TMZ, where TMZ received and released a recorded conversation of Ms. Stiviano and, at the time, owner of the Los Angeles Clippers, Mr. Sterling. Sterling unknowingly but blatantly disrespected the NBA, its owners, and last but not least, the African American population as a whole. In this recording, Sterling voiced his opinion about the types of relationships Ms. Stiviano should and should not have with African Americans, no matter what their status may be, whether it could be a basketball player such as LeBron James, an anchor such as Shaquille O'Neal, or even another owner such as Magic Johnson. Once TMZ had this recording, it quickly spread like wildfire across every social platform, website, magazine, post, blog, status. This was a headliner. Or in the Twitter world, it was a trending topic, which it should be. I personally heard the recording via WorldStarHipHop.com, where soon thereafter, the NBA quickly suspended Sterling of all his owner duties. Shows such as First Take and SportsCenter voiced their opinions on the topic. Meanwhile, other shows such as Sports Nation and ESPN.com took things a little bit further. They let the people decide on what they believe should happen to Sterling. They placed polls on their websites where people can hashtag via Twitter, Sterling has to go. Since the news has been broken about Mr. Sterling, many players have decided to go to their own social media sites where they can voice their own opinions and thoughts on how they believe Mr. Sterling should be dealt with. Now, since they have millions of followers, millions of people will read. All may not agree, but the word still gets across. In essence, the decision of one woman, and more greatly the power of social media, has completely changed our outlook on Mr. Donald Sterling. But it makes you think, how quick can news spread now? No, there's no longer need for newspapers and waiting for that reliable source to contact you. We have our reliable sources everywhere, whether it's newspapers, posts, blogs, status updates, of course from someone credible, Facebook, me and you. News quickly spreads in today's world, thanks to social media. And that's exactly how this story broke. Again, I'm your anchor, Jonathan J. Robinson. I thank you for your time. You all have a great day, and I'll see you all next week.
Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Boys.